Have you ever wondered why we cringe at the sound of our own voice on recordings? It's not just you. There's a psychological reason behind it. When we speak, we hear our voice through bone conduction, making it sound deeper and richer to us. But when we hear a recording, it's through the air, giving us a higher and unfamiliar tone. This dissonance can make us dislike what we hear, as it doesn't match our internal self-perception. So next time you hear your voice and cringe, remember, it's all about perception and psychology. Isn't that fascinating?